Hello, Tony Auden here with your Get Ready Queensland severe weather update for July. Well, July is a time of year where conditions normally dry out, but we are starting the month with another significant rain event. Some flooding possible along the east coast, but is likely to remain minor at most. Despite La Nina now being over, we are still in a La Nina watch, with a 50% chance it'll redevelop into the coming summer. But we are still expecting a slightly wetter than normal July thanks to an influence from the Indian Ocean and warmer than average sea surface temperatures near Australia. If this rain continues into spring as expected, then the fire weather season should be quieter than normal, but if conditions do dry out, then there is plenty of forest and grass fuel to burn. We will need to watch that in coming months. So while things are relatively quiet, now is the time to prepare for when more significant severe weather returns. Do you have a household emergency kit? It doesn't take much to put one together, including key items like canned food, water, torches, and a battery-powered radio. For more information, head to the Get Ready Queensland website, and I'll have your daily weather forecasts and warnings on 7 News.